Hey everyone, and welcome to Beautiful You TV. Did you know that Christina Aguilera and Cher have released a new movie which is called Burlesque? If you don't know anything about it, then I will have to tell you that this movie is absolutely amazing. If you are a makeup lover, music, or fashion lover, then this movie is for you. And I personally absolutely loved the trailer, I absolutely loved the pictures, and therefore, I decided to do a makeup look that is inspired by one of the acts that Christina was performing. And namely, she was singing a song which is called I'm a Good Girl. And she was wearing this very makeup that I'm wearing right now. Although this is more a wearable version of this look. And since holidays are coming, Thanksgiving is very close and Christmas is coming as well, maybe you will consider doing this glittery sparkly look. And if you are interested, then continue watching. Okay, let's begin. The first thing you want to do after having primed your lid, you want to apply the eyeliner. And there will be two liner lines. One is going to